We're just sitting here, just got done with some lunch. And the boys are just hanging out.
No.
Yep. Hey, Dad's in. Uh-oh. Hud. Don't be sad. Dad is in Bahrain. Jack, can you give your brother a hug so he doesn't cry? Can you give him a hug?
Ow.
Well, don't bonk him in the head. Can you give him a kiss to make him feel better? Can you give him a hug? Can you give him a hug? No. Hey, Hud. Hud. Hey, look over here, Hud. No? All right. What are you doing there, Jack? Okay. That was a fun tape.